the hiccups.
Connor has the hiccups.
He hates it. Oh, he hates it. Why is he in his chair? You got the hiccups, buddy. Oh. Oh.